Welcome, my dear students. So, first of all, Jai Mata Di to all of you. And from today, we are going to revise our practice sheet. Okay, and we are going to take MCQs, which are very important. So, some MCQs, some selected questions I have taken in this video, which will trouble you, I think. Okay, so the first question is rounded to its nearest thousand. Student, nearest thousand में राउंडिंग ऑफ करना है नंबर का. मैंने आपको पहले बताया हुआ है कि जब भी किसी का राउंडिंग ऑफ करते हैं ना, तो जिस प्लेस वैल्यू का राउंडिंग ऑफ हम कर रहे हैं, जस्ट उससे पहले वाला जो प्लेस वैल्यू है उस नंबर को हमने देखना है. सपोज वी आर राउंडिंग ऑफ 1000, then we will see first the hundreds place. Okay, here hundreds place is what? We are saying that 8 is in the place of hundreds. So 8 is greater than 5. So we add 1 to the thousands place. That means we will add 1 to the thousands place, and the answer will be 213726000. This will be our answer. Okay. So students, the second question, which is fourth number of your practice sheet. आपके practice sheet में fourth number question, जिसमें मैंने पूछा है the numeral for 18 lakh 5000 and 100. बहुत लोग गलती करते हैं. कैसे? 18 lakh 5000 and 100 आपको लिखना है. तो आपको पता है कि 18 lakh how you can write? You can write 18. Then you can give the comma, because in Indian system the lakh period is different. Okay, 18 lakh, then 5000. So we can write here 05, because in the 1000 period there are two place values, thousands and 10,000. Okay, so the 10,000 place will be 0. So 5000 and 100. That means 1805100 will be the right answer. Okay, students. Now the next question, which is question number 6 of your practice sheet, multiple questions. The successor of 6248178. So to find any of the successor, you have to add 1. Simply add 1 to the number. So we will add 1 to 648,178 plus 1, and we will find the successor of that number, which is 6248,179. Simply this is the answer. If you are finding the successor, you have to simply add 1 to that number, and if you are finding the predecessor, you have to simply subtract 1 from the number. Okay, now the 8th number question of the MCQs, which is the numeral for 7,050,001. So we all know that in million there is for ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000, then million, then 10 million. These are the place values. Okay, so here 7 million, 50,000. So hundreds place will be 0, 10 place 50,000, and 1 means hundreds place is 0, 10 place is 0, only 1 is there. So your answer is what? Your answer is 7050001. 7,050,000 and 1. So here the hundreds place is there, the thousands period is there, and millions period is there. There are 3 periods in international system also. Okay, so our 4 MCQs, the 4 selected MCQs are done. So students, now the question number 14 MCQ, okay, which is which number is neither prime nor composite. Only one number is there who is neither prime nor composite. It's 1. Because प्राइम नंबर होने के लिए कम से कम 2 फैक्टर्स चाहिए और कंपोजिट नंबर होने के लिए 2 से ज्यादा फैक्टर्स चाहिए, और 1 के पास सिर्फ एक फैक्टर होता है, वो खुद, मींस 1 सिर्फ खुद के टेबल में ही आता है. That's why 1 is neither prime nor composite. It's only the one which is neither prime nor composite. Now, which number is smallest prime number? Smallest prime number. The smallest prime number is 2. Okay, क्योंकि उससे छोटा तो कोई प्राइम नंबर ही नहीं है. 2 प्राइम नंबर क्यों है? क्योंकि उसका फैक्टर सिर्फ 2 है, एक वो खुद और एक 1. दोनों के टेबल्स में 2 आते हैं. अब व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन इन द सीक्वेंस 1/7, 3/7, 5/7, 7/7? इस सीक्वेंस में जो नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन है स्टूडेंट्स वो क्या होगा? तो यू कैन ऑब्जर्व दैट डिनोमिनेटर्स आर नॉट चेंजिंग, ओनली न्यूमरेटर्स आर चेंजिंग, एंड द न्यूमरेटर्स आर कंटिन्यूअस ऑड नंबर्स 1, 3, 5, 7. You can write what will be the next 1, 3, 5, 7. The next number will be 9, and the denominator doesn't change. Denominator will be 7. So the next fraction in the sequence will be 9/7, students. Okay. So what is the value of 2/7 plus 3/7? The question number 20 of your practice sheet. Here denominators are same. So it's easy for you, simply add the numerators 2 plus 3, that will be 5, and the denominator will be the same, 5/7 will be the answer. Simply you have to add only numerators because the denominators are same. जब भी डिनोमिनेटर सेम होगा तो सिंपली न्यूमरेटर्स को ऐड करना है. डिनोमिनेटर अलग अलग हुआ, डिनोमिनेटर अगर अलग अलग हो गया तो आपको इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन का कॉन्सेप्ट लगा करके पहले तो डिनोमिनेटर्स को एक करना होगा, फिर ही जाकर के आप न्यूमरेटर्स को ऐड कर सकते हो. तो ये चीज ध्यान में रखिएगा. अब व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 2/1/2 इन इम्प्रॉपर फॉर्म? इम्प्रॉपर फॉर्म में 2/1/2 का वैल्यू क्या होगा? सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू नंबर एंड ऐड टू दिस. तो 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, and the answer will be 5/2. This will be the improper form of this mixed fraction. Okay, students. So you can see what I had written here. So students, here are the extra more important MCQs, which is 23 number, 24, 25, 28 and 31 number MCQs of your practice sheet. Okay, the 23rd number MCQ is which of the following is the equivalent fraction of 1/3? उसमें कुछ ऑप्शंस होंगे स्टूडेंट्स, उसमें कौन सा ऑप्शन जो है वो 1/3 का इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन है? तो उसमें स्टूडेंट्स एक ऑप्शन आपको दिखेगा जो 3/9 लिखा हुआ होगा. अब वो कैसे, वो आंसर करेक्ट है 3/9, बट कैसे? क्योंकि हमारा जो फ्रैक्शन है वो है 1/3. जब आप न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में सेम नंबर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 3/9, जो क्या होगा 1/3 का इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन होगा. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये ऑप्शन में आपका ये नंबर होगा जो इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन होगा 1/3 के. ओके, सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द रिड्यूस्ड फॉर्म ऑफ 4/3? अब इक्विवेलेंट किए, दोनों मल्टीप्लाई किए, जब हम रिड्यूस करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स किसी फ्रैक्शन को तो किसी सेम नंबर से हम डिवाइड करते हैं. अब 4 और 8 कौन सा सेम नंबर के टेबल में आता है? तो वी ऑल नो दैट 4 and 8 comes on the table of 4. अब जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर स्टूडेंट्स तो 1/2 हमें मिलेगा आंसर, और ये स्टूडेंट्स आपके ऑप्शन में होगा और ये करेक्ट आंसर है इस क्वेश्चन का. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. द डेसिमल नंबर 0.76 लाइज बिटवीन. किसके, कौन से दो डेसिमल्स के बीच में 0.76 लाई करेगा? सो यू ऑल नो दैट दिस इज 76 and 76 always lie between 70 and 80. So you can write this कि 0.76 lies between 0.70 and 0.80. 0.70 0.80 के बीच में 0.76 स्टूडेंट्स बिल्कुल आएगा. ओके, नाउ 28th नंबर क्वेश्चन ऑफ योर प्रैक्टिस शीट. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डेसिमल इज अ लाइक डेसिमल ऑफ 4.11. आपको पता है लाइक डेसिमल्स क्या होते हैं? जिसके डेसिमल पार्ट के नंबर ऑफ डिजिट सेम हो. मींस ऐसा डेसिमल आपको अपने ऑप्शन में से खोजना है जिसके डेसिमल पार्ट में दो ही नंबर होने चाहिए. ऐसा एक ही डेसिमल होगा जो बेटा जो डेसिमल जो हमारा 7.09 क्या है 7.09. और ये आपका ऑप्शन नंबर कौन सा है स्टूडेंट्स? ये ऑप्शन नंबर आपका बी होगा, जिसमें एकमात्र डेसिमल ऐसा होगा जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स दो होंगे, क्योंकि इसमें भी डेसिमल पार्ट में दो डिजिट्स है, यहां भी डेसिमल पार्ट में दो डिजिट्स हैं. अब आपको क्वेश्चन आया 31 कि आपको 0.23 एक डेसिमल को यू हैव टू चेंज इन द फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म. तो हाउ वी कैन चेंज? मैंने आपको बताया था पॉइंट के बाद अगर दो नंबर्स हैं तो जस्ट फॉरवर्ड द पॉइंट and put denominator with two zeros. If the decimal part has two digits, so just put 100 below there in the denominator part and forget the point, and this will be the fractional form of 0.23. Okay students, so these are the easy, and we will take more 3-4 MCQs. Okay, so students, 35. Now there are 4 questions more from MCQs of your practice sheet. So the 32nd number question, convert 3 rupees into paisa. We all know that in 1 rupees we have 100 paisa. So simply we have to multiply 3 multiplied by 100, then we will convert rupees into paisa. We all know that 3 rupees will be 300 paisa. Okay, this is the simple multiplication. Now, how we express 40% in fraction? Simply we remove the percentage sign and we will add 100 in denominator. So how we can write it as 40% will be equal to 40 by 100. Here we have removed this sign and simply added 100 in denominator. Okay, so the fraction 2 by 3 can be written as ratio. Yes, 2 by 3 can be written as a ratio as 2:3. We can write any fraction in this form, in the ratio form. Okay, now the 37th question, the greatest ratio among the following ratios: 1:7, 4:7, 6:7, 3:7. You all know that 1:7 can be written as 1 by 7. Okay, 4:7 can be written as 4 by 7. Okay, 6:7 can be written as 6 by 7, and 3:7 can be written as 3 by 7. So all you know that how we can compare these fractions. We all know that the denominators of this fraction are same, but the numerators are different. So on the basis of these numerators, we can say that 6 by 7 is greater. How? Because the numerator of this fraction is greater of all. Okay, so here we can write that 6:7 is equal to 6 by 7. It is the greater ratio. So who is the greater ratio? 6:7 is greater among all. Okay, so here our MCQ part is over. Now we are going and we will jump into the fill in the blank part. Okay, so students, let's start the fill in the blanks of your practice sheet, and we are doing the fill in the blanks continuously because here we will not skip any of the fill in the blanks. Okay, I'll discuss all the fill in the blanks here. The first is 5 million is equal to how many lakhs? 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Then 5 million will be 50 lakhs. Okay, here I can write that in 1 million there is 10 lakhs. Okay, now dash is the numeral for this expansion. So we here first of all we will observe that here the number of zeros is 6, here 5, here 4, 3, 2, 1 and no zeros. So here any of the place value in between is not skipped. Okay, that's why we can write the continuous number 7264 725. 7264 725. We can write it as. Okay. So place value of 4 in this. So what is the place value of 4? We can observe here that the place value of 4 is in hundreds place. So we can write that place value of 4 is 400. Dash and dash are the two numbers that comes just before 344201. So we can see here 201. बेटा 201 से पहले दो नंबर कौन से आते हैं? 199 और एक 200. तो we can write 344199. 344199 because ये 201 सिर्फ हम लास्ट के तीन नंबर से देख रहे, बाकी तो हम ये परमानेंटली 344 लिखना ही पड़ेगा. So 201 just before 201 the two numbers will be 199 and 20. Okay. The numeral for 3 lakh, 4, 10,000, 3,000, 200, 7 and 1. You can observe here that the place values are not skipped. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So we can write directly the numbers 3, 4, 3, 2, 7, 5. Okay. So the sixth number question is the factors of 12 are dash and dash. So how many factors of 12 are there? We can write any of the factors. 2 in the table of 2, 12 is coming. In the table of 6, 12 is coming. So we can write these two numbers. You can write 3 also here. Okay. So here one statement is there. Since 5 into 6 is 30, then 5 and 6 are the factors of which number? Obviously 5 and 6 are the factors of 30. Okay. So 8th number, fill in the blanks. That is the smallest odd number. The smallest odd number we all know that is 1 because the odd numbers is starting from 1. So the smallest odd number is 1. Okay. So dash is now the 9th number. Dash is the factor of every number. सारे जितने नंबर है सबका फैक्टर कौन हो सकता है? 1. मैंने बताया था फैक्टर्स के जो प्रॉपर्टीज बता रहा था, तो जितने भी नंबर्स है सबका फैक्टर 1 तो होता ही है. इसका मतलब जितने भी नंबर्स है वो 1 के टेबल में आते हैं, ये हमें पता. एवरी नंबर इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 1. हर एक नंबर 1 का मल्टीपल है क्योंकि हर एक नंबर 1 के टेबल में आता है. 27 is also a multiple of 1 because it comes in the table of 1 and 1 is the factor of all numbers. जितने भी नंबर्स है सबका फैक्टर 1 है. तो ये 8, 9 and 10 have the similar answers. Okay. So the first 10 fill-ups of your worksheet is completed. You can see the answers. Okay. So students, fill in the blanks number 11. The numbers such as half, 1/3, 1/4, 2/5, 5/6 are called fractional numbers, students. These type of numbers are called fractional numbers. Okay, this is the definition of fractional number. Now the 12th number filler. Dash is the fraction for 6/13. The th form is always taken in the denominator and the normal form of number is always taken in the numerator. That means 6 is numerator and 13 is denominator. So you can write this 6 by 13. You can write this 6 by 13. Now when numerator is 2 and denominator is 5, then the fraction number is 2 by 5. It's simple. Numerator is 2 and denominator is 5. Okay. The 14th number, fill in the blanks. If two fractions are equivalent, if the two fractions are equivalent, then their cross product. Then their cross product means cross करके ये दोनों numbers, एक number का numerator एक का denominator multiply करेंगे, फिर इसका डिनोमिनेटर और इसका न्यूमरेटर को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. मींस जब हम क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट विल बी सेम. द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट्स आर सेम स्टूडेंट्स. ओके. डेसिमल 2.11 इज इक्वल टू द फ्रैक्शन. अभी हमने एमसीक्यू में भी बताया था. आफ्टर द पॉइंट द डेसिमल पार्ट इज ऑफ 2 digits. सो स्पेशली रिमूव और फॉरगेट द पॉइंट and just add 100 to the denominator because there is 2 digits in the decimal part. If there will be 3 digits in the decimal part, you will add 1000 to the denominator. You will add 1000 to the denominator. So students, now the 18th number question, fraction 12 by 10 is equal to the decimal number what? Here the 0 is 1. So we will put a decimal point from right side before 1. 1.2. Okay, only 10 is there, only 10 is there, so we had put point before single number. Okay, before 2. Rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa. We all know that 1 centimeter, students, is equal to 10 mm. Just memorize that because there is no method. Okay, it is a fact. You have to memorize the facts that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now students, chapter number 5, ratio proportion. In proportion, I had explained you that the product of means is equal to the product of extremes. Okay, here the answer of 22. Now the 25th number, fill in the blank. 25th number, filling the blank. 1 hour is equal to, we all know that, in 60 minutes. Okay, these are the answers, and these are the answers of these fill in the blanks. Now, here I had skipped fill in the blank number 15, 16 and fill in the blank number 23 and 24, and I will explain now these fill in the blanks. So students, the skipped questions in the fill in the blanks I have taken. If in a fraction the numerator is less and the denominator is greater, numerator less, denominator greater, we all know that that type of fractions are known as proper fraction. Okay. And if in a fraction the numerator is greater and the denominator is smaller, we all know that that type of fraction is improper. Okay. Now, 23rd number fill in the blank says that the ratio of 15 girls to 20 boys. We know that the ratio of 15 girls to 20 boys can be written in the fractional form like this. Now we can reduce this fraction because we all know that 50 and 20 comes in the same table of 5, and after the reduction the answer will be 3 by 4, and the ratio becomes 3:4. So you have to write 3:4 here. Okay. Now the ratio of 60 and 20. So we know that we can write 60-20 like this in the fraction form. After that we have to reduce this fraction, and we know that 60 and 20 comes in the same table of 20. Okay. And after the reduction it will be 3 by 1 because 20 comes 1 times and 20 comes 3 times. Then we will get 60. 3 by 1 can be written as 3:1. And in the fill in the blank we can write 3:1 directly. All this work for fill in the blanks will done in the rough. Okay, in the rough work you have to do this. In the fill in the blanks you have to write the direct answers like this. You have to write the direct answers. Okay. So the fill in the blanks and the MCQ part is over in this video. In the next video, we will discuss about do as directed 1 mark questions. Okay. Thank you so much.